Hi, I'm Shavin James with the Electrovite channel, getting a big solution for for those traffics in cities and stuff. So those days we have traffic lights in main cities, but there's no traffic lights in some other cities. But they are so busy, but they don't have traffic lights. So basically, it's a lot of traffic jam time in the evening. So as we are building circuits, I thought to build a traffic light system. So we are gonna make today a traffic light system to solve a big problem in cities. So our traffic light system is like humanized one, but future I have an idea to automate this thing, and yeah. So now let's move on to see how this thing works. Okay, so I have built this one here. So I'll give a video after explaining the work of this, and you can watch it and make it your own. And there's a documentation link in the pinned comment and the description as well, so you can get more ideas from that as well. So first, getting power, we have to always make sure our circuit is done properly. In this case, I'm using an ESP32 to get power. You can use battery or something as well in this case. So as we are building this thing in Voctri simulator, before using it, Voctri only have ESP32. So I get the same in ESP32 as well as in the Voctri. So if you are building this with the battery, here goes the negative one and here goes the positive one. So now we will see how this thing works. So I got the negative pin of the ESP32, the negative in our breadboard circuit, and positive to the positive in our breadboard circuit. So we don't give directly power to push buttons and to the LEDs. We are using resistors here to protect our LEDs. Like LEDs must burn out quickly in high voltages. So to make sure that they won't burn out, I am using here some resistors. So we are I have explained the breadboard connection in past videos, light up community, I think. Yeah, in the light up community I have explained the work of the breadboard, so I'm not gonna explain it again and again in videos. So I have connected resistors like this, and so after connecting those resistors, then I put a push button to control the LEDs. So the push buttons, for short time periods you can use those push buttons. So then I got the LEDs. So those are the indicators in our traffic light system. So I have built them in the breadboard, but after doing the automation, I have an idea to build it as a real looking traffic light system. So stay tuned with the Electrovite channel. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification to get the notification when I update the all updated projects of my past projects. So now everything is correct. Make sure you connect the positives of and negatives of the LEDs correctly. So this side goes to the negative and this side goes to the positives. So now we are giving power to our ESP32. Here it goes. So the indicator on ESP32 is lighted up. Now we can test our circuit system. So we have to use our 3 fingers to control this easily. So the red light is indicated. Now the people can't go. Then I lighted up the yellow or orange color one to ready, and now people can go. Green light is lighted up, and giving it for a little bit of time to people to go, and then again the orange light and the red light. So red light for a short period, and again the orange light, the green light. Okay. So it's easy to control, and yeah. So when I'm talking about updating this project, I have a lot of ideas. So first automation, and then connecting 2 or 3 or 4 or more traffic lights together, and connecting a pedestrian traffic light for this, and yeah. So now let's move on how to build this thing. have you saw how we build our traffic light system. So that's it for today, and make this project, and like you can play with your friends, like you know the red light and green light change. So you can use this for that game as well, because this is a little one, and you can stay tuned with our channel for upcoming updated versions of those my circuits. So stay tuned with our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification. Thank you.